In this channel, I'm going to introduce Xero functions. First of all, what is Xero? Xero is a cloud-based accounting software, and it offers a range of features that makes it easier for businesses to manage their finances. One of the key advantages of Xero is user-friendly, even for those who are not accounting experts. Xero also integrates with a wide range of third-party apps and services, allowing businesses to customize their accounting setup to suit their specific needs. Okay, let's start with the Xero dashboard. When you log into your account, you will see the page dashboard, and when you click the demo company here, you can see files and settings. For files, you can upload documents in Xero. There are three ways of doing that. Firstly, you can click the Upload File button and select the documents you want to upload. Or you can drag the documents into this area, and Xero will upload the files for you. And the third way is to send files to the email address here, and after a while, you can see the documents in the inbox. If you like this function, you can create more folders and to be more organized. And for settings, there are a lot of features, and we will introduce more details in another video. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. On the top, we can see business, which mainly focus on the AP and AR parts. Under the accounting, we can manage your bank accounts, run reports, and manage the fixed asset and post journals. Under payroll, we can manage the employees' timesheets, leave, run payroll, and process the superannuation. And under the projects, we can manage the cost of the projects. Under contacts, we can manage the customers and suppliers information here. On the top right, there are several shortcuts. The first one is the create. So we can click this button, and if we want to create a new bill, we can click bill, or we can create the journal, other things. So for example, we create a new bill, and Xero will take us there. The next shortcut is the search function. So you can search any keywords in here, and Xero will show the results. Because this is a demo company, it doesn't show here, so we switch to another company. To switch the company, you can click the demo company and select another company. For example, your boss call you and ask if we have already paid the bill 987 from ABC company. So you can search either by the contact name ABC, or you can search the invoice number 987. And we can see there's a bill, so we can click into here and we can see the information. Another function is the notification. So if you fail to upload the documents, it will show the notifications in here. The next button is the Help Center. You can search your questions in here, and Xero will find recommended articles for you. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, now we go back to the demo company, and let's scroll down a little bit. Here are the main body of the dashboard. On the left side, there are bank accounts. The bank accounts show the balance of the previous business day and shows how many transactions are waiting for reconciliation. On the right side, on the top, it shows the account watch list. It shows the balance of the main accounts you selected for this month and the year to date. You can always change which accounts show in here. Click the three dots here and click Edit Account Watch List, and select the accounts you want. For example, I carry the sales figure, so just click into the sales, and then tick the button here, Show on the Dashboard Watch List, and click Save. Now let's go back to the dashboard, and we can see the sales figure shows in the watch list. Next part is the invoices owed to you. We can see here there are 3 overdue invoices, so we can click into here and see who they are, and we can also email a reminder to them via Xero. Okay. The next part is the bills you need to pay. Similar to invoices owed to you, you can click into the details here and process the payments. So if you don't like this layout in here, you can always edit the dashboard. Just click this button, Edit Dashboard, and you can select which parts you want to show or hide anything. For example, I want to show the expense claims, So I just tick here, and you can always change the path. Just drag here. For example, I want to show my account watch list on the right side, so you can do that. And after the changes, you can save it, and now you can see your dashboard has been changed. Okay, so that's the introduction of the Xero dashboard.